This is question number 2 from the section 3.4 MyLab math homework. So in this question, we're given a scatter plot that shows the median annual pay in dollars per year for college-educated men and women in 30 cities. So there's 30 dots on there. Every dot is representing a city. And if I locate that city, I can see the median salary for men on my input axis versus women on my output axis for that city. Okay, so it's giving us a regression line here, so we might need to use that. We can also just read this trends. I see there's a positive trend in this graph. As men's salaries increase, so do the women's salaries for that city. So I can either read the graph or I can use the equation. And question A is asking us to find a rough estimate using the scatter plot. So find a rough estimate using the scatter plot of median pay for women, that's over here, in a city that has a median pay of about $60,000 for men. Okay, so they're giving me the $60,000 for men. And I can come up and I see there's several dots there. I mean, in that range, all these dots. Okay. So anywhere between, a little bit below 40,000 and a little, close to 50,000 would be a good estimate for the women's salary to match $60,000 in the men's salary. So answer choice D was the best answer choice there. But then B is asking us to use the regression equation to get a more precise estimate. So now I'm going to come up here and use this equation, but I'm going to plug in exactly $60,000 for the men's salary and follow that rule. So for women, my equation tells me I'm going to do $13,087, and then I'm going to add 0.5216 times the salary for men, which we're told is $60,000. So I'm going to plug that into my calculator. Okay, so when I put all of this into my calculator, I'm expecting to get a number in this range that we got by reading the graph. And when I put all of that in my calculator, I actually get $44,383. And that is in that range, so it's a reasonable estimate, but it's more precise because instead of just seeing a range from my graph, I'm actually calculating a more precise salary for women to relate to that specific $60,000 salary for men.